Could you introduce your company to us, please?
Of course. It's Thomas, and our company is Tecnosunsolar Systems. We are a German manufacturer of solar tracking systems, and our tracking systems are very new in the market. They're our company is about 2 years old, and our systems are very simple and high efficient in the tracking market.
So could you give us a little bit more detail about the type of technology that you're offering?
Yes, of course. Our systems are, as I told, solar tracking systems. We have two types of tracking systems. They are single and dual axis tracking systems. And here you can see a single axis tracking system like it is used in normal accommodations. For example, you can use it for flat roof systems, you can use it on open fields, and the very new one is that we use it now also on noise barrier systems. So you have a lot of noise barriers along the road, autobahns and railways, and these barriers are not used yet. And so with this system you have the possibility to gain the energy from the sun in a very, very good way. And yes, you can earn money with noise barrier systems.
So what sets it apart from other solar tracking systems and just other solar fixture constructions in general?
Yes, I think the main difference is on the one hand side the price, and on the other hand side the looking for the systems. The systems are very low in the height, but they are one of the biggest systems in the world, because with only one motor you can run up to 120 tracking systems. You can see it here. That means on each tracking system you have about 2 modules on it, so you run only by one motor up to 240 modules. That means it's in about 60 kilowatt peaks of module space or module power with only one motor. So this is one of the, I think, the main different type, and the possibility that you have different applications with always the same system. The system will always be the same. Either the substructure is different from what you use it.
And so, what would you say your target markets are in terms of location and in terms of the sector?
Our target markets are especially Europe, of course, the Sun Belt, and now we established a company in the United States, and we did licenses in Canada as well. And at the moment we are looking also for the market in Asia, but the main market for us in Germany will be Europe. I don't know how it is in UK at the moment. As I know, there are different possibilities to go to UK as well, but the main markets at the moment are Greece, Germany, Italy, and the Middle East.
So looking down the line, in about 5 or 10 years' time, where do you see your solar tracking system?
I think it's not 5 to 10 years. In the next 2 or 3 years we will be the leading company in tracking system, because our systems are very low in the costs and very high efficient, and with low maintenance. This is another big point. It doesn't matter, or it doesn't make sense if you have systems which are cheap but they need a lot of maintenance. That's not good. Our systems don't need a lot of maintenance, and so the systems will be the leading system in the next years, I'm quite sure.
Thank you very much, Tim.
So may I explain the main heart of the system? It's the motor you can see here. The motor is made from the German company called Auma. It's a very high efficient motor. With this motor you have the possibility to run up to 120 trackers or 240 modules. The motor runs a steel cable. With this steel cable you drive the tracking system. It's very simple, and if there would be a problem with everything should break down and you don't have any engine anymore, you have the possibility to use with the safety wheel the whole system and turn it around very simple by hand. So that I can guarantee in every time a fixed system in the south position, but normally the engine doesn't have any problem and the engine will start itself and move the trackers always to the right position to the sun.